Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm back with a new restoration on these Jordan 7 Hares from 1992. The pair is overall dirty, the suede is in poor condition, and the internal air unit and glue have deteriorated. I'm going to start off by fully separating the shoes to clean out the old glue and midsole. Check out how easy it was to separate them and how bad the air unit condition is. I'm going to scrape off the remaining chunks and then finish prepping them with heat and acetone. The midsoles are pretty dirty. I'm going to use some acetone to clean them. You can see how dirty and scuffed up these soles are. I'm going to clean them with just some Dawn soap and water. It's a major difference just from a quick cleaning. I'll just be using soap and water for the laces as well. Check out how dirty the cleaning solution got from the laces. You can see how the natural aging on the laces matches the aging of the soles. I'll be keeping this natural look for this restoration. Now that the soles are cleaned and prepped, I can begin the gluing process. For this, I'll be using barge cement super stick. I'm going to heat up both sides to 120 degrees Fahrenheit and bond them together. The sole reglue is looking nice. Now time for the air unit replacement. I'll have to replace the internal air unit and midsole. For this, I'll make a stencil of the inside using tape, then I'll cut some EVA foam to shape. The EVA foam is very lightweight and comfortable. I prefer using this anytime I have to replace air units. With the air unit replaced, I can now move on to the uppers. I'll be repeating the glue preparation process with some minor changes. For the suede area, I won't be using any acetone. Instead, I'll skive off the top layer with a blade and then I'll sand it down. As mentioned before, the suede is in bad condition. I'll be using a suede eraser and a brush to clean the suede and re-nap it. For the leather portion, I'll use a mild cleaning solution and a microfiber towel. These uppers are looking a lot better. Now I can begin gluing them to the soles. I used a heat erase pen to trace the glue line on the leather portion, since it can be difficult to see the original glue line without it. You have to be cautious when working with these original 7s, since the top piece of leather likes to shift from the backing material, and this can cause wrinkling around the glue line. I bonded the shoes, and they're looking nice now. The final step to this restoration is going to be removing the midsole creasing. I'll be using a heat gun to do this. If using this method, be cautious as the midsole can swell and become damaged with too much heat. Just do light passes. Thank you all for watching this restoration. I'm very satisfied with the results and how the natural aging looks on this pair. Let me know what you think. I appreciate everyone who's been supporting the channel, even with a long time between my last video. I'll be releasing more very soon. Thanks again.